Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a review and I'm going to be reviewing this leave-in conditioner. It's from Originals and it's their olive oil leave-in conditioner, and you guys know the 5 categories that I review all products in. I'll start with the packaging, then the price, move on to the application, then the quality and size, and lastly the results. But before we get into that, join the Curl Factory family, follow me on YouTube and social media as well. The first category is the packaging, and the colors are green and light green, and the writing's also written in a bit of purple. The packaging is just okay. It's not really striking. I just think it's kind of average. I'll tell you a little bit more about this leave-in conditioner. It promises to strengthen hair instantly. It helps stop breakage. It restores softness as well as shine, and it also contains olive oil as well. And it says that it's a natural conditioning treatment. It says that you can use this on wet or dry hair and gently massage the Originals by Africa's Best olive oil leave-in conditioner evenly into your hair from roots to tip. And then it says, using a wide tooth comb, gently comb through the olive oil leave-in conditioner and do not force the comb through it. On here it doesn't say anything about sulfate, silicones and parabens. As I said, I do think that this is average, so the rating I'm going to give it for packaging is 3 out of 5. That's 3 curls. The second category is the price, and I bought this at Clicks for 42.99 and I think that it's a really good price. It's under 50 Rand, but it's also not very big. So when it comes to price, I think that this is above average. So the rating I'm going to give it for price is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. The third category is the application, and this bottle doesn't really squish very easily, so when your hands are wet and trying to squeeze this out can be very difficult. But you just open it up and it doesn't just come out of the bottle very easily. Back to my first point, you really got to squeeze to get some of it out. It's light green in color and it has a very soft smell to it. The smell isn't fruity, it isn't very flowery. It has a very soft smell to it. The texture is very watery, so it does give amazing slip. As you can see, it's disappeared off of my hands already. Very soft texture, it glides through the hair and it does promote detangling. So the application was really nice. So the rating I'm going to give it for application is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Now we'll move on to the quality and size, and as I said earlier, this is really small. For someone who has a lot of hair and has really long hair, this is not going to last me very long. I use so much on the first 2 applications that I think I can only use this 3 times. The size of this is 177 milliliters, and as I said, there's no information about parabens, silicones, mineral oil and all of that stuff. We do know that it does contain olive oil, but when it comes to quality and size, I'm not very happy, so the rating I'm going to give it is 2.5 out of 5. That's 2.5 curls. Finally, the results. I think that this leave-in conditioner is okay. It's not amazing. It's not something that I'm personally going to rebuy. It plays well with other stylers and it does do a fairly good job. So for me, I think that it was just okay. So the rating I'm going to give it for results is 3 out of 5. That's 3 curls. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of me doing one on this leave-in conditioner from Originals. It is by Africa's Best and it contains olive oil. I hope it was helpful. We've all seen this on the shelves. Drop your comments down below if you've tried it, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.